Okay, so here are some extra problems from section 10.6 we went through in class. All right, so we're looking for angle JMK. Angle JMK, which is right here. Okay. Now, the problem is we have really one of three things to work through. Remember, we have is the vertex inside, outside, or on it. This one's inside. So the angle here is half of these arcs. And the angle in blue is half of these arcs. Well, the problem is I don't know those arcs. I know the red arcs though, so what I'm going to have to do is use the red arcs, find the angles in red, and then the supplement of that will be the one in blue that I want. So I don't know, we'll call this angle 1 and this will be angle 2. So angle 1 is 1/2 of 79 minus 77, or sorry, plus 77, because it's half the sum. If it's inside, half the sum. So 1/2, that's going to end up being what? 86, 156. Which ends up giving us 78. So angle 1 is 78 degrees, but I want angle 2. So 180 minus 78 gives me 112. Nope, strike that, 102 for this angle, which is what I really want. Okay. All right. Now, next one we looked at was number 14 in class. So again, I'm looking for angle ABD. So I'm looking for this angle here, okay, which means I need to know this arc opposite of it. Okay. And what you got to say to yourself is, well, where is that vertex at? Well, the vertex is on the circle, means it's half of the arc. Okay. So I really need to know the arc in purple. Well, or pink. Well, I don't know that arc, but I know this one's 154. So that must be the rest of the circle then. So 360 minus 154 gives me 206. So 206 degrees. Okay, so we got 206. So half of that is the angle, so 103 degrees. This angle DBA, or ABD, however you want to say it. Okay. Next one, number 18. I'm looking for angle A. So what I have to say to myself is, well, wait a second, where is that angle at? Oh, that angle is outside. So outside is 1/2 of the difference. Okay, well, let's see the two arcs. This one is 99 degrees. The other one, and this is what you got to recognize for this drawing is, oh, the other one is the rest of the circle. Okay, great. So this is the rest of 360, which is 261. So angle A is 1/2 of 261 minus 99. So that ends up being 52. So 162, half of 162. That gives me that the measure of angle A is then 81. That's what I want to know. Okay. All right, the number 26 is an algebra problem. There are more like this, and again, this isn't everything, but this is just kind of a brief run through. So I look at this and go, oh, well, let's see, where's the vertex at? Outside. So outside, 1/2 of the difference. So the outside, which is 4x, is 1/2 of the difference between 9x plus 26 and 35. So 4x equals 1/2 of 9x minus 9. Now what I suggest you do here is not distribute the 1/2 because those aren't even. So just double both sides. You'll get 8x equals 9x minus 9. Subtract 9x. Negative 1x equals negative 9. Okay. Divide by negative 1. X equals 9. And there we go. So they're not very hard to do once you know what you're doing, and they're not very long to do either, but they can cause some headaches.